Hello everyone, so we got a nail on our car's left front tire. You can see it right there. Today we will show you how we repaired the tire at home with a tire repair kit. If you take a tire with a nail on it to the auto repair shop, they usually tell you to change the tire. It looks like a small nail, so it's not that big of a deal. We can easily fix it at home. We are using a pair of pliers to pull the nail out. There we go. As soon as you pull the nail out, the air starts leaking, so you might want to cover it up. That's a nail that was in there. We have one of these tire repair kits. It's called a professional tire repair kit. It has a tire reamer that clears out the hole, a tire plugger, and some plug strings. What we do is take the reamer and clean the hole out a little bit so that we can put the plug strings in. Next, we take one of these plug strings and feed it through the hole here. That's kind of like the difficult part. Squeeze the string through the needle nose and pull it out on the other side. Use a pair of pliers if you have to and pull through. There, we have got the string about halfway through. Take a little bit of the rubber cement and apply it on the strings. What we are using is a self-work, an all-purpose cement. You can use any rubber cement for this. Now we take the reamer out and put the plug in. Insert the plugger on the hole, remove the plugger out, and strings stays in. It's plugged in nicely. Trim the edges off of the string and it's ready to go.